Hey everybody, welcome back. Blake from 4 Point Custom Works. So, started working on the 2x72 grinders, parts and pieces, welder table. This one I got welded up. Don't look at the welds, they're not the greatest. I gotta clean everything up. The end of it, this is the house 2x72 plan design. I've changed it up a bit. He talks 3/8 plate here. This is half inch hinges and that. So I've gone through, beefed it all up, bigger plate, half inch base plate as well, a lot heavier. Yeah, so I've increased that on them. Basic same design. Gonna change a few things on them. Handles, whatever else, you know, little things here and there. So yeah, so this one I got welded up. Got to clean it all up now. I got another one to weld up. I got more patterns over here. I got my plates to make. Got to do them yet. This is the other plate for the other one that I want to do. The parts for the other one. Some other pieces I got cut out, ready to go for it. My motors. And then this one I got sort of cleaned up. I got to clean up some more on it. I got a little bit of splatter here to clean up. Again, I went with a half inch plate, not 3/8 plate. Half inch hinges and that. So I'm just fitting this one up, doing some adjustments, playing with it, seeing how everything fits. See if I got everything right. So the tilt on it. So this will tilt back, spring to go on the back yet, and that type of thing. So I got that there. My motor mounted. I'm not using VFDs. I'm just using straight motors. My old one that's over there, I've had a 110, 3400 RPM, 2 horsepower motor on it for 8-9 years now. I've never had a problem. So I'm not using the VFDs and the 3-phase motors and that. A lot of money and that. The only thing I'd watch if you're building one is on these ones, this Beaver one, this other Beaver one I got, that the mounting plate, the other mounting plate, the 56 on it, this one, watch when you go to mount it. See how close the bolt is to the motor? So it's awful close to here. So if you want, you can get away with sticking the head on the other side instead of the nut there, but I wanted the nut there, I wanted it cleaner. So I literally had to take that bottom mounting plate off, grind it all off, get rid of it. The other motor that I bought from Iron Horse, it's bolted on, so I'll just unbolt it when I go to put it on, because it puts it right tight to the motor and that. So yeah, got it all mounted up, got everything there. Got to make my plates. I got this one tightened in. Get the big Allen key. Undo this. These all slide in and out, so which is nice. So comes right out of there. Sorry, trying to film and do everything here. So. That in there, there we go. And it slides in nice, goes all the way back. So yeah, so that'll be there, and tighten that down. These I'll pull with the motor off again. Blue Loctite on, blue Loctite this one. Yeah, otherwise works great. I'll turn it around here. I do like these designs. Well balanced and that. If you take this key, loosen this off, and that you can one hand. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand pivot these. It's really nice, smooth. Yeah, tilts back down nice. Oops, get my cord out of here for my drill press. Get that out, but yeah, it tilts up really nice. Go back to center on it. It's nice, true, and real easy to tilt. So yeah, I like it. The weight's really balanced, really nice. Shorter overall length on this one. If you go about there with these, I guess. So if I go there, tighten that up, and go there, let me grab my tape measure. What did I do with it? There it is. So yeah, so my old one from back of my motor, sorry I'm waving you guys around. So the back of my pulley to the front end here is 28 inches. So we're 3 feet. We're a total of 3 feet out here with my table and everything else. And that type of thing. So now if I go back over here to this one, I'm a whole whopping 24 inches to there. So yeah, I'm gonna be like 6-8 inches shorter, compactor. And the nice thing is too, I can remove these and just let them sit. So yeah, so that's what's been going on here. 4-Point Customs, just trying to get the 2x72 done up here. I'll be welding the other one up. I just want to get my stands built. So I got that one there, and then I'll get this one here is almost done, and then I'll get the third one that's here, all the parts and pieces done. So I get my stands done and welded up the major portion of it, and then I'll finish fitting everything together. I don't think I'm going to paint these or nothing. I'm just going to leave them, let them naturally patina, rust, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I thought I'd give you guys a show of what's going on. More of these I'm working on, getting these done up. These as well too. I haven't done in 3/8. These I've done in 1/2-inch plate as well too. So I'm trying to keep it the same. So when I put my 3/4 inch here, I should end up being in line with everything. So when you bring it out, so I got to put that piece on here, bring it out 3/4 inch, get my 3/4 on there or close to it, so I get lined up with this here. So I'm even with this edge, even with that edge, even with everything. So yeah, no, should turn out really good. So yeah, so thanks for coming along. We'll bring you some more news once I get a little further on these things and that type of thing. I know a lot of you guys can weld and do all that stuff, so I haven't showed any of the welding or nothing. I'm just going along, weld them up and doing them as I go, and then I'll have to sit down and grind and clean them all up and get all my splatter cleaned up and go from there. So thanks for coming along, and we'll catch you on the next one.